Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks so much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're taking a look here at Gala, seeing what's going on. Obviously, helping understand what may happen next. Based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, previous support and resistances. We had a nice pump here today, of course. It's since dissipated, but definitely give us a larger candle wick up to potentially retrace down to this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. We're almost already there, so kind of cool how that all works out. I'll show you what I mean by that here in a minute. Keep in mind, if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I just love teaching people to trade. So I really do hope you can learn something here today. You want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a website. I have a trading academy, community, and signals group. We got new day trades coming in the community here very, very soon. And we're going to have some discount packages as well. So message me direct if you're interested. We got opportunities for students as well as military. And then furthermore, third world countries too. So if you reside in one of those positions or situations, let me know. We'll be able to help you out there with a discount as well. So when it comes to Gala, what we want to look at, and I covered this here recently again, is the simple fact that we had this descending trend we broke above a few days ago. So it's a very positive sign, absolutely a good thing. And just generally speaking, at this point, we are ascending positively as well. We want to look at a few other things here, though, because it's important to recognize the overall sense of things. We came down, we wicked down today all the way to this 50-day simple moving average. So that's proving to be a nice, strong support there. We're staying above 50 on the RSI as well, which has always proven to be very positive. We had a recent convergence as well. While that's not a strong convergence, it is still one nonetheless. So all in all, looking pretty good here. So last basically 4 days of trading, we've seen a nice progression, nice increase of roughly about 13-14%. So that's really awesome. Okay, so the daily is looking very good, right? So in that sense here, we can assume or presume the price is going to continue higher, because if we get a candlestick closure above this most recent high, you can see this kind of definitive line almost here at about 4.2. We'll round up to 4.2 cents. Coincidentally, this 0.5 level on Fibonacci retracement, that is absolutely holding strong so far. We could get a bounce off that level or effectively just not even come back down to that range. Okay, so the key is that a closure above that level would give us confirmation. We're on the right side of tracks. We've broken that previous resistance and essentially establishing it as a current support. Okay, so really cool stuff there. We also have this as well for our simple moving averages on the 4 hour. We're looking very good there. The thing I want to kind of note here is the RSI is coming closer to 70. Okay, so we kind of rejected off that level, but we do have a convergence here too. So a lot of coins right now are getting close to 70 on the RSI. They're overextended, but they're also converging on the MACD. And what does that mean? Well, as a swing trader, that typically implies that you're in a pretty good position for the price action to continue further, right? So if we see here this level right here at 0.5, or it's actually, no, it's 0.618 if I recall correctly. Yeah, that's 0.382. That's a 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, effectively 0.618 in a lot of ways. What that does, that support level there, the previous resistance turns support. So the price were to retrace, I'd say a bouncing point would be a good bounce right there at about 4.25. So let's just go ahead and set an alert there to kind of take a closer look if it were to come back down to that level and kind of go from there. Okay, so a lot of times I like to set a lot of alerts and use different indicators to kind of identify. We have a CC Golden indicator that kind of provides really good entry opportunities. So we'll check that here in a moment too. When it comes to the 1 hour here, we can kind of go ahead and see that it's pretty overextended, right? You can kind of just see that without even pulling it up, but just for fun, we can see we're at a 7 here on TD sequential. We got roughly 2 more candlesticks worth of continuation. So 2 more hours potential of further upside here, okay? So again, mostly good stuff there for Gala. In that regard, we got a little bit more room, but I don't think we're going to see a tremendous amount more growth at this point. I think we're going to plateau right at that 0.382 level and consolidate right around 42.5. That would make a lot of sense. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at there on that. HMOCA Cloud's going to tell us we're all green lights good to go. So if you have a long position open, by all means, keep it open. Don't close, don't take any profits yet. We're not in a position yet to do that. It could very well continue further. Very last thing we want to look at here is a 15-minute and our TD sequential here. So take a look at how awesome this indicator is. What we got here, first of all, is a really cool situation. So take a look. The price action recently told us to get in right here because we have confirmation at 4.1 cents. The price action shoots up here, tells us to sell right here at the top, which is effectively a gain of roughly 6.5%. Now at 10 or 20x, that's a good, 60 to 120% gain. So all in all, very, very good stuff there in that sense. That would have been a nice catch. So congrats to my community members who actually caught that. I think it's really awesome to have that. But cool thing is it gives you a lot of different confirmation signs that you're on the right side of tracks. And of course, sell signals as well. So really cool stuff. If you want information on that, of course, that is available on our homepage. I have a walkthrough video. I'm just going to cover this really quick because I get a lot of questions on this here recently. Just so you kind of note It basically will look like this when you go to the details page, and it essentially shows here that we have release notes, we have different updates that are consistent, but you do have lifetime access if you want to consider acquiring that. We've got some really good feedback coming here as well, so really happy to hear that's working out for our community members. Thanks again so much for joining me here. Again, you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. I do look forward to working with you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.